Hey guys, it's Lauren and today I'm going to be showing you a Bird and Blend tea haul. So I recently ordered off some because they were advertising this code Cool as Ice, and what you get for that is these mixed iced tea bags for free, and they were advertising it on Instagram and email, but I don't know if they're still doing it, but that's where this whole tea haul came from. So in here they have 3 different teas, and it says on the front that one is Copacabana Cooler, Ginger Beer and Ginger Snap Green. This one smells like ginger. They all smell a little bit like ginger. This one smells more like ginger to me. So I think these two are the ginger ones, and this one is the Copacabana Cooler, which just has lots of different fruit in there. However, it says that one of them has flowers in. I don't know. It doesn't say on the tag or anything. But I'm pretty sure I ordered ginger beer, so I'll be able to see which one that is at least, and then figure the other two out. So that was free. This is the Duck Talk Chili Chai, and it is a 20-gram bag, and the 20-gram bags are usually £3.20. So the first scent was kind of spicy, and now it's just chocolate, like so much chocolate. It's very chocolatey, so I don't know if you can see very well, but there's a lot of cocoa shells in there, and cocoa nibs. So the white bits are... What are the white bits? Ginger maybe? And there's also cardamom in there, cinnamon, and then black tea as well, and ginger. There's also chili in there, but it's mostly brown in there. So I've never tried that before. Another one that I have got is the Bonfire Toffee. Again, this is a 20-gram bag. This smells so good. I've never tried this before. So it has, I got this primarily because it has Lapsang Souchong in, and it's one of my favourites. And it does have that smoky aspect to it. And it kind of smells sweet. Like apples. And it's a very unusual colour. There's bits of red in there. So it looks like that is probably the safflower. There's a big bundle of it right here. This is all just safflower. And there's also black tea, cinnamon, apple, and Lapsang Souchong. It smells amazing. So you can definitely smell the apple. And it's just kind of like a burnt, smoky smell. But it's not like a bad burning smell, it's like a good burning smell. So this one is the Monkey Chops. Again, it's 20 grams, but it's just a sample size, just to see how it goes. And this is meant to be a banana tea, and that intrigued me, because banana is a hard scent to get across. It smells weird. So it does smell like banana. It also also smells like vanilla. How weird. So there's black tea, freeze-dried banana, coconut. It smells really good. Calendula and sunflower petals, and vanilla. So you can see the petals, the banana. I don't think you can see the vanilla, but it is just kind of like this creamy vanilla and banana milkshake scent, I guess. So I'm pretty happy with that so far. And I also got myself a Yerba Mate tea. So this is the lime cola. Again, it's a 20-gram sample. It is kind of like a cola scent. What's that from? So it says it has cola nuts in there. I want a cola nuts. What is that? So this is a lime piece. Yeah. So there's also lime leaves, lime peel, linden blossom, yerba mate, fermented lemon peel, and cola nuts. I'm not sure what coconuts look. Cola nuts look like, but that is the tea. Kind of like green and yellow. Maybe that's a cola nut. I'm guessing something not like. What is that? Let's try and get it out. So there's this in there. This must be the cola nut. Can I eat it? Definitely not. Weird. But that is that. And it does smell a little bit like cola. How weird. And the lime and lemon definitely give it a citrusy scent. So this is the ginger beer. So we can see which one of these tea bags looks like this. And I got this because it's a rooibos tea and it's got ginger, lime and lemon and then some flowers in there. Interesting. So it looks like it's this one. So this is the ginger beer, I think. Obviously there's more petals in here. So this is the ginger beer one. There's a different scent in there as well. Like, it must be the rooibos. Sounds amazing. So it is very ginger and lime and citrus in your face. And then you can also smell the rooibos in there as well. So I might actually put that tea bag in here so I know it's ginger beer. And this is a repeat purchase. So this is a 50-gram bag. The 50-gram bags are usually, they can range. I think the cheapest 50-gram bag is £5.20. I'm not 100% certain, but I think this was in between £5.20 and £6. I do have the paper, but it doesn't actually say how much they cost on the paper. So this is mocha chai. I actually finished up, I think I actually have maybe 1 scoop of it left. and I really enjoyed this, so I bought it again. And it's just a strong coffee and chocolate scent. And there's also black tea, cardamom, cinnamon, coffee. And there's cocoa nibs in there as well. So that is what it looks like. There are like actual coffee beans in there. It smells amazing. I really love this tea, and it's great to have with milk. So I got a bigger bag. This is another favourite, which is why it's in a bigger bag. So this is the Smoky Russian. It's a Lapsang Souchong. It also has Malfang Keeman tea and Formosa Oolong tea in there as well. I love the smell of this as well. So this one's a little bit darker, but it's all black tea. And the smell is literally like you're barbecuing something and charring like meat or something. It's so smoky. And it actually stays smoky when you're drinking it as well. And I have tried it with biscuits, and I don't think it impacts the flavour of the biscuits. I can't remember, but it's so good. So this is another one I got. It's a 20-gram bag and it's pineapple mint. I got it because it just seemed interesting, you know, pineapple and mint. I can smell the pineapple already. I wasn't sure if this was going to smell okay, but it smells really good. It is just a sweet taste of pineapple and then just spearmint or something. So it has dried apple, hibiscus, rosehip, coconut, pineapple pieces, lemongrass, peppermint and spearmint flavour. And that is what it looks like. Kind of looks like it has lemongrass in there. No, it does. It smells really good. I'm really excited for that. So that is just a herbal tea. And the rest is, they are single serves. So let me just sort this out. So I got 2 gingerbread chai teas. So you can buy these, they have a whole list of teas that, some of them are Christmas teas as well. I think this is a Christmas tea. And you can basically buy it for 75p, like just a single one. So together they're £1.50. And they have loads of teas that they don't sell in these packets or in the tea bags. They just sell them individually. And you can buy the single packets in a pack of 50 as well, I think. So I am going to open these. I really want to sniff it. Wow. So it does have the ingredients here. It says Rooibos spices ginger, and the spices are ginger, cardamom and cinnamon. It has vanilla and also mallow flowers and flavouring. The mallow flowers are purple, and this sounds weird, but it does have that gingerbread scent, like a biscuity scent. That's crazy. So I got 2 of those. I also got 2 of the blue raspberry. Oh, definitely a raspberry scent. So I think this has pea flower in, so this should brew blue. That was difficult to say. So it has center green tea, Chinese center green tea, blue pea flowers. You can kind of see them. Kind of like there. And it has freeze-dried raspberry, natural flavouring. So I can't smell the green tea at all. It is just a raspberry scent, like when you have the cereal that has dried raspberries. The raspberries smell the same. That's that. I got 2 of the morning kick, and this is another yerba mate tea. So it has lemongrass, ginger, lemon verbena, calendula, and yerba mate in there as well. So I think lemongrass is the primary scent of that. I think it smells okay. There's a little bit of a ginger scent there. And the last individual packaging I got was spiced clementine, and I thought that sounded interesting to me. Oh, it smells so good. It's very fruity and spicy. It smells like Christmas. Like mulled wine. It's good. So it has cloves, apple pieces, ginger, rosehip, hibiscus, orange peel, orange blossom, and natural flavouring. So I got 2 of them, and they were 75p. And I asked for matcha samples, and they did give me matcha samples. So I got the pure matcha and ice cream matcha, which sounds weird. So it actually has the ingredients. This is just Japanese matcha, and this has carob and natural flavouring. So I can't wait to try these, because Bird and Blend matcha is actually pretty expensive. And some of them, you can't buy all of them in matcha sticks. And some of them you can buy in mini tins, but again, they're quite expensive. So you can literally only buy these, but you can't buy them singular packets like you do with Teapigs. You buy them as a set of 10 or in a mixed pack. And you can't buy mini tins individually. You can only buy in a pack, or like a mixed pack of mini tins, or you can buy the whole tin, which is like £20. So that's pretty expensive. So I'm not going to open those, and I just want to figure out which is which. So the Ginger Snap Green has calendula petals and sunflower petals. The Copacabana only has sunflower. I'm going to say this is Copacabana Cooler because it looks like it has loads of fruit in there. And then this is the Ginger Snap Green. So that is everything for my haul today. It's a little bit longer than the other one. It's shorter than some. So I think I'm most excited for the Bonfire Toffee and the Monkey Chops, the banana tea, and the pineapple mint tea as well. I'm quite excited for all of them. And the matcha. I want to try the matcha, but it's so expensive, you know. I just wish that they'd sell them like this or sell the mini tins, because I want to try like all of their matchas. All of their matchas like sound really cool. Like they have a lavender and lime, and then they also have orange and cocoa, and they have pure, and then they have super matcha, and then mixology, and they have so many flavours. And I just want to try them all. But it would be way too expensive to buy them all. And they have peaches and cream as well. So I just want to try them. And so that is everything for my haul today. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.